Let's continue with the MCQ based on S block elements. Which of the following undergoes disproportionation on heating with NaOH, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine? All of these. Correct answer is all of these undergo disproportionation, which means that the same substance gets oxidized as well as reduced. So all of them get oxidized as well as reduced. That is, their oxidation state is increased as well as decreased. D part is the correct answer. Next question, P plus Na2CO3 gives you Q plus R. P reacts with CO2 to form R, which is milky cloud or white precipitate. Chemical formula of PQR. These are the calcium hydroxide, NaOH, CaCO3, NaOH, calcium hydroxide, and CaCO3, NaOH, CaO, CaCO3, CaO, calcium hydroxide, and NaOH. Correct answer is A part. Calcium hydroxide will react with CO2 to form CaCO3. Here we will get NaOH and calcium carbonate. Reaction between the following pairs will produce hydrogen except magnesium plus boiling water will give hydrogen, iron plus dilute sulfuric acid will give hydrogen, copper and HCl will not give hydrogen because copper is less reactive than hydrogen, sodium and alcohol will give hydrogen, so C part is the correct answer. Carbide of which of the following metals on hydrolysis gives propyne? Beryllium, calcium, aluminium, magnesium. Correct answer is magnesium. Beryllium carbide gives methane, calcium carbide gives acetylene, aluminium carbide gives methane, magnesium carbide gives propyne. D part is the correct answer. Which oxide is formed when potassium is heated in excess of oxygen? K2O, KO, K2O2. KO2, correct answer is KO2. Superoxides are formed with potassium because larger cation can stabilize larger anions. Carnallite is the mineral of magnesium, sodium, zinc, calcium. Correct answer is magnesium. It is potassium chloride, magnesium chloride into 6H2. The radius of which of the ion hydrated is lowest? Lithium ion, sodium ion, potassium ion, cesium ion. Lithium ion is most hydrated, so its ionic radius is highest. Cesium ion is least hydrated, its ionic radius is lowest. D part is the correct answer. Ingredient of baking powder is sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate, and NaCl. Correct answer is sodium bicarbonate. It also contains tartaric acid, which neutralizes bitterness formed by heating sodium carbonate. Sodium bicarbonate on heating gives sodium carbonate, which is bitter. It can be neutralized by tartaric acid. Which of the bicarbonate does not exist in solid state? Options are given. Correct answer is calcium bicarbonate does not exist in solid state. Others are exist as solid state. C part is the correct answer. Strongest reducing agent among alkali metals are lithium, sodium, potassium, and cesium. Correct answer is lithium. It has lowest value of standard reduction potential. Sodium carbonate can be manufactured by Solvay's process, but potassium carbonate cannot be prepared because K2CO3 is more soluble, K2CO3 is less soluble, KHCO3 is more soluble than sodium bicarbonate, or KHCO3 is less soluble than sodium bicarbonate. Correct answer is C part. KHCO3 is more soluble than NaCHCO3. That's why it cannot be precipitated. Which of the following statement is or true for the group 2 elements except beryllium halides? All halides are ionic in nature. All form nitride in air. The solubility of hydroxides increases from beryllium to barium. All are correct. D part is the correct answer. All statements are correct. Which of the following are not correct statements? Calcium phosphate is present in bones. Fluoroapatite is part of enamel on the teeth. Calcium ions are important in blood clotting. Chlorophyll is compound of calcium. D part is the incorrect statement. Chlorophyll is the compound of magnesium and not calcium. Oxalate of which alkaline earth metals are not sparingly soluble? Beryllium, barium, calcium, strontium. Correct answer is beryllium. Beryllium oxalate is soluble in water due to high hydration energy. Halides of alkaline earth metals which cannot be dehydrated by heating is calcium, magnesium, barium, beryllium. Correct answer is B and D. Beryllium and magnesium is the correct answer because both are covalent and they get hydrolyzed on heating. The correct sequence of increasing covalent character is represented by the 4 options we have. The correct answer is B part. Reason is beryllium is smallest in size and forms covalent compound. Lithium chloride is also covalent but less than PeCl2. NaCl is ionic. Least covalent, most ionic. B part is the correct answer. Which is least thermally stable? Lithium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, barium carbonate, and beryllium carbonate. Answer is beryllium carbonate because it is most covalent. Rather, it is more covalent than lithium carbonate. That's why it is least thermally stable. The element which does not directly combine with carbon on strong rating is lithium, beryllium, potassium, and calcium. Correct answer is C part. Potassium does not combine. Group 2 elements combine and lithium also combines, but other alkali metals do not combine. Property of all alkaline earth metals that increases with atomic number is ionization energy, solubility of their hydroxides, solubility of their sulfates, electronegativity. Correct answer is solubility of their hydroxides because hydration energy dominates over lattice energy. Assertion reason type. In the following questions, a statement of assertion is followed by a statement of reason. Mark the correct choice as A if both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. If both assertion and reason are true but reason is not correct explanation, write B. If assertion is true but reason is false, write C. If both assertion and reason are false, write D. First question, alkali metals have similar physical and chemical properties. All alkali metals have similar valence shell or outer electronic configuration. Here statement is correct, reason is correct, both reason is correct explanation of assertion. So the options are A, B, C, D. We have to choose the option A. Beryllium does not impart any characteristic color to the flame. Due to high ionization energy, beryllium requires a large amount of energy for excitation of electron. These are the choices and correct answer is A part. This is correct reason for the assertion. Superoxides of alkali metals are paramagnetic. Superoxide contain O2 minus which has one unpaired electron. Options are A, B, C, D and correct option is A part. The first ionization energy of beryllium is greater than boron. 2p orbital has lower energy than 2s orbital. These are the options. Correct answer is C part. The statement is correct but reason is not. Reason is beryllium has completely filled s orbital which is more stable and requires higher amount of energy than boron. Match the list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer with the code. These are the codes provided. Sorrel cement is third part. So let's concentrate on C. Anhydrone is fourth part magnesium perchlorate. Hydrolith is first part calcium hydride. Lithopone is second part barium sulfate plus zinc sulfide. So C part is the correct answer. Next question. Codes are provided for the questions. How to select pearl acid potassium carbonate. There are two options with one. Washing soda is third option. So let's concentrate on A part. Nitrolim is calcium cyanide, cyanamide plus carbon, fourth option. Soda lime is NaOH plus CaO is second option. So A part is the correct answer.